At the bottom of the agent panel, you'll find the Today's Performance section. This is your personal dashboard that tracks 6 key metrics throughout the day. Every number updates automatically, so you always have a real-time view of how your shift is going. Let's walk through each metric. The first 2 metrics are calls handled and talk time. Calls handled counts every call you answered today across all your queues. Talk time is the total time you spent on those calls. Together, these tell you at a glance how much work you've completed during your shift. In this example, 8 calls handled with over 31 minutes of talk time. The third metric is average call duration. This is your mean talk time per answered call. Total talk time divided by calls handled. It helps you understand your efficiency. If your average is trending higher than usual, it might signal more complex issues or an opportunity to streamline your workflow. Here, we're averaging about 3 minutes and 53 seconds per call. The next 3 metrics track your time management. Login time shows how long you've been logged into at least one queue today. Available shows the portion of that time you were actually ready to receive calls. Paused shows how much time you spent in a paused state, on break, lunch, or any other pause reason. The difference between login time and the sum of available and pause time is accounted for automatically. Below the metrics grid is the session timer. This shows how long your current login session has been active. The clock started when you logged into your queues, and it counts up in real time. If you log out and back in, it resets. This is helpful for tracking your shift duration without needing to check a separate time clock. All of these metrics refresh automatically every 30 seconds, so you can check back any time during your shift for an up-to-date snapshot. Supervisors also see these numbers in their dashboard, so keeping an eye on your performance helps you stay aligned with team goals. That's the Today's Performance section, your personal scoreboard for every shift.